Hello everyone. Today's video I will show you how to read a CSV file and look through the CSV file. To read the CSV file, you can go to Advanced Module, Data Hub, Configure Data Hub. You can select the data type. Here I have option to read the Excel file, CSV file, JSON file, or text file. And then you browse to the file. Then you can change the delimiter from comma to other depending on your data, and click data review so you can see the data and the list of columns. You can select which column you want to show and assign the data to a data frame name. Now when you click execute, it will read the data. You can go to data tab and then double click on data, and the content of data frame will show in the data tab. Now if you want to look through the data frame and get the value, first you need to know the length of the data frame. Select the data frame you want to check the length, assign it to a variable. Now you look at a loop. So in the loop you can put a name for the loop, and the loop count is number of loop. You can assign the value df length. So this loop will go through the length of the data frame, and you want to get the interest of the loop so you can read the data. So I click the assign the interest to a variable and name the variable name interest. So now I have a loop through the data length. I read the cell. Select the data frame you want to read. The index, row index is the interest, and the column is, I take column 0. I put it in between of the. So we have one problem because the loop start from 1, but the data frame start from 0. Then we need to have a variable to reduce the loop interest by 1. So I can add a math. I have data interest and I want to minus x by 1 and assign a new variable named row value, row number. I add it before I read the cell. Now I change the cell configuration. Instead of row index, I will read the row number. Assign I'll make it workflow 1 second delay so we can see the value. Now I read the whole file. So you can see the first value is OPC and the second value is TV2 and the last value is gas, and it's done. And look at the data, you see the first value is OPC, the second is TV2, and the next one is gas. So you can apply this for different purpose of the both, like maintaining the list of data into SAP or sending the email or whatever based on this example. Thank you and see you in the next video.